Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to cancel a Cash App payment that's pending. First of all, you need to open your Cash App account. Then you need to look at the bottom menu where you need to click the icon that looks like a clock. And right here on this page, you will see all of your transactions, completed and pending ones. It's important to remember that you can only cancel the transactions that are pending. So you need to find the pending transaction, click on it and cancel the transaction. But if the transaction has already completed and if you can't find the cancel button, you can do the simple thing. You need to go back, click the profile icon in the top right, scroll all the way down, click support, then scroll all the way down again and click on chat. Right here, you need to explain your issue that you want to cancel the transaction and you need to provide the necessary information such as data, transaction amount, recipient's name, and other details, guys. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.